I'm about to walk you through one of the craziest, most eye-opening and most replicable systems we've ever built. It's a system that took us from zero to $90,000 in just 45 days, of which 95% was pure profit using 3 faceless TikTok channels, a handful of AI tools, and a strategy so streamlined that we could run it even if we only had a laptop and like 2 hours a day. This wasn't luck, it wasn't one viral video, and it wasn't us stumbling into a trend. This was intentional, engineered, and reverse designed to fit TikTok psychology, built using data from hundreds of creators. In this video, I'm going to teach you every single step of that system. I'm not holding anything back. And I'm definitely not leaving out the secret sauce like every guru does. I'm even going to show you the parts people never talk about. The engagement manipulation, the algorithm exploits, the mistakes we plan on purpose, the account warm-up rituals, the monetization stacking, the comment engineering, the pattern interrupts, the hidden psychological triggers, and the absolute do's and don'ts of the platform. Everything you need to build a faceless empire is right here. So buckle in, because this is the most valuable short-form video you'll ever watch. Let's start with the numbers, because the numbers tell the story. Over 45 days, we made $35,000 from ad revenue alone. Our main channel, Time Traveler POV, hit 160 million views in 1 month. We averaged about 40 cents CPM, or what TikTok is paying us per 1,000 views, through the TikTok creator program. It's not life-changing by itself, but it's a really strong, predictable base layer of income. Then, we made another $20,000 from video production services. When your content goes viral, trust me, brands know this, creators know this, companies know this. People literally DM us asking if we could make videos like ours for them. AI-generated videos, faceless videos, cinematic videos, all of them. We charge between £4,000 and £6,000 per video, and clients paid without hesitation. That's the thing, when you start to get a bit of clout, everyone comes out of the woodwork and wants to ride the same wave, so you need to make the most of it. We also brought in $15,000 from our course and affiliate program. We made quite a few mistakes here, and this number could have been at least 10x that, but it is what it is. And people click on the links in creators' bios more than you think. So we thought, why just make content ourselves to promote our course? We brought creators into our system. We gave them plug and play scripts, templates, thumbnails, promos, and story posts. Basically everything. All they had to do was promote our course and put the link in their bio. We kept 70% of every sale they brought in, and they kept 30%. This ran in the background and brought in hundreds of course sales without any extra work, because in total, when you add up our affiliate account sizes, we had over 100 million followers. And all of these affiliates were posting daily, so the exposure to our course was absolutely insane. There are 2 massive mistakes with it. Completely wrong price point, because we charged over $100 one time instead of much smaller subscriptions, and our page on beacons was quite bad. Again, it is what it is, and there is no looking back. The wild part is that we made $22,000 from sponsors. Sponsors didn't ask for full videos. They didn't ask us to rewrite scripts. They didn't ask us to change our content. All they asked for was their logo in videos we were already posting. We aren't allowed to name them due to signed contracts, but I'm sure you can figure it out. And by the way, we aren't talking just a few hundred per video. We were charging $1,000 to $2,000 per each, because we had the power to do so due to our views. And they just kept coming back for more. That brings us to a grand total of $92,000 in 45 days with 3 accounts, no face, no filming, just AI, TikTok, and strategy. We only paid for tools, some outsourcing, and we kept almost 100% of it. Now let's break down the system that produced those results step by step. Most people fail because they misunderstand TikTok. The algorithm is emotional, not logical. TikTok doesn't reward quality, effort, or truth. It rewards emotion and attention grabbing. Emotion drives comments. Comments drive engagement. Engagement drives reach. So when we pick a niche, we don't ask what we are passionate about. We ask what triggers emotion fast. Through studying 500 channels, we found 3 categories that TikTok loves. First is time travel stories, where people argue, correct, and debate history. Second is alternate reality, what-if content, which naturally sparks curiosity and disagreement. Third is first-person POV storytelling, where viewers feel immersed and emotionally activated. These niches create what we call engagement density, meaning viewers generate more comments per view. However, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of other niches that can be used to do the same thing. If you see an account blowing up, think to yourself, what is it that is making this do well? Then copy it, but make sure to elevate it. That's the mistake most people make. Anyone can replicate a channel, but the ones who win are the ones who innovate. When I start my new channels, I always tweak something or improve something, because no channel is perfect. Study what works, understand why it works, then make it better. The idea is there. Add your twist, your storytelling, your quality, your edge, and remember to add comment baiting. People already love the channel you're trying to copy, so what would make them come to your channel instead? That's how you build a competitive advantage. Not by being a clone, but by being the improvement. People will start to favor your channel rather than the other one. That's step one. This leads us to the viral video formula, which is the heart of everything we create. We use one simple formula for every viral video. It's predictable, repeatable, and engineered for maximum retention. Step one is the hook, the first 0 to 2 seconds. This is absolute life or death. Your hook must stop the scroll, be visually surprising, include bold text if you can, hit an emotional trigger, feel fast and urgent, and deliver instant payoff. Examples could be, I bet you've never noticed this, or scientists warned us about this in 1962. If your hook doesn't slap, nothing else matters. Step 2 is to deliver one big idea, not 3 or 5, just one. Too much information kills retention. Viewers need clarity, not complexity. Step 3 is the pattern interrupt every 2 to 3 seconds. This is the number one thing creators ignore. Every 2 to 3 seconds, something must change visually. The angle, zoom, B-roll, sound shift, text flash, color change, or timing switch. TikTok punishes stillness. Movement equals attention, and attention equals reach. A good tip here is that we would never leave the first frame of any of our videos longer than 3 seconds. Most have the attention span of a squirrel, so as I said, if something doesn't change within the first few seconds, it's usually an instant scroll. Step 4 is to seed engagement. You say lines designed to provoke immediate reactions like, would you agree or disagree? I know I'll get hate for this, but, or most people don't have the guts to admit this. These phrases open psychological loops viewers must close. People love to disagree and argue, and if someone has an opinion, TikTok is where they vent it. Step 5 is to add a mistake on purpose. This is one of the most controversial ideas on social media, but it's the one thing we do in every single video. We intentionally plant small, believable mistakes like a wrong date, wrong pronunciation, slightly off fact, misspelled word, or a random object in the background that shouldn't be there. Why? Because humans love correcting each other. It gives them dopamine, it feeds their ego, and TikTok doesn't care if comments are negative, it only sees activity. For example, on the Time Traveler channel, the video would be about POV you're a pirate in 1525, but we would make the pirate be wearing Nike shoes. Or POV you are Cleopatra in 30 BC, but we would put a PS5 in the background of her bedroom. Instantly, people would comment, how would she have a PS5 in that year, or how would he be wearing Nike? AI is horrible and doesn't work. And they think they're smarter than you, but in reality, you are one step ahead and they just boosted your video engagement, pushing you into virality. I forgot to mention, we would mostly always put this mistake within the first frame, sometimes the second of the video. This way, everyone would see it, even the people who are going to scroll immediately. Then more people would be tempted to comment and correct it. If you put the mistake right at the end, not many people would stick around long enough to see it. Step 6 is to end on a punch, not a fade. Never end a video with a slow wind down or slow fade. End with a cliffhanger, a twist, a shocking fact, or an unanswered question. The ending should make people think, comment, or rewatch. Now we move to engagement warfare. This is where we go nuclear. Before I go into hacks that no one talks about, if you want to learn all of the stuff I've mentioned in more detail and create any video you can imagine while being mentored by people who have done this a million times, join our community in the description now. It's so active, has hundreds of members in its first month, and you can get mentored by me and my team for only $7 a month right now. Back to hacks. Hack number 1 is the keyword filter hack. This is a glitch in the TikTok system. We go into settings, then comments, then filter keywords. Then we add every insult or exposure keyword like AI, fake, edited, cap, CGI, or maybe not real. Now trolls will naturally comment those things. TikTok counts the engagement but hides the comments. So people don't see any other comments saying this is fake and they think they're the first to expose you when in reality 50 others already did. They won't even notice that their comment didn't appear on the video either. This creates an insane engagement loop as people love to be first to hate or expose. Hack number 2 is the two-phone debate strategy. This one is pure psychology. We post a video, wait a minute, then use a second phone to leave a controversial opinion. Something like, Cleopatra was born in Spain, or actually you're wrong, here's the real reason. Then on our main account, we reply, we debate ourselves, we create a conversation. People hate being the first commenter, but they love jumping into an argument. You can also comment highlighting the funny moments in your video to try and get likes and engagement on your comment. Hack number 3 is to attack the comments for 1 hour straight. This is huge. For 60 minutes after posting, we reply to everything. And not with weak one-word replies or emojis, as these don't register as much in the algorithm. TikTok favors full sentence replies. We turn each comment into a conversation or a debate. If any commenters turn into 70 comments, which is a massive signal to TikTok that your video is causing waves and getting people talking. If someone comments something like, there was a PS5 there, did anyone else see it? Reply back with, where? Even though you know where it was, and then they'll tell you where they saw it in the video. And just like that, you got another comment easily. Hack number 4 is the purposeful mistake, which we already covered, but it's such a game changer that I want to emphasize it twice. Viewers will correct you for free, don't waste that. Hack number 5 is to post at the same time every day. This isolates variables. Consistency builds data you can learn from. If you change posting times, your analytics lie. Hack number 6 is to add follower goals in your bio. People love helping creators reach their next milestone. This triggers completion bias and micro-social validation. Add a follower goal like 1 out of 10,000. People are way more likely to follow your account if you have this just because they want to see it go up. Hack number 7 is to engage with your niche daily. This teaches TikTok your audience, and you must watch, like and comment in your niche for 10 minutes a day. If you don't, your reach can start to go random. We noticed when we stopped doing this, we would get random videos pop up on our feed. It's because TikTok is trying to figure out if you still like the videos from your niche. Don't give them any reason to push your content to other niches. Set it as a ritual to do this every morning. Hack number 8 is multi-platform posting. You already did the hard part of making the video. Now you post it everywhere. TikTok, Shorts, Reels. This 2 to 3x's your reach and literally takes a few minutes longer. There is no reason not to do it. Hack number 9 is momentum posting. If a video is doing well, do not slow down right away. When you have one video going viral already, the next video will pick up so much traffic from people who were already on your page due to the other video. We noticed that when one video was doing particularly well, they'd all start to pick up and new videos would go viral immediately. The mistake most people make is they wait a few days to post their next vid, and by that time, some of the hype has already died. I don't care if you have to wake up at 5 AM to get a video out, you do it. Hack number 10 is the bookmarked idea system. Whenever you see a banger, save it. If you're out of ideas, remake it. This goes hand in hand with the niche engagement. Just bookmark the videos you like as you watch for 10 minutes. This way you always have a solid bank of ideas to fall back on. If another video got 20 million views, you can just make it again. And don't worry about viewer fatigue. There are so many billions of people on TikTok that people honestly won't notice. Hack number 11 is to keep thumbnails aesthetic. Consistent thumbnails build trust. People recognize your style and your page should look clean and consistent. Hack number 12 is that watch time determines everything. If viewers drop at 2 seconds, your next video must change the opening structure. This is how you improve over time. Study the analytics and see where people drop off. Also, if one of your videos hit 15,000 views and the other one hit 1 or 2,000 views, study why the 15,000 view one worked better and double down on it. Most people just keep posting randomly and it's all a game. You need to actually look at what is working and what people reacted with. Consistent improvement until you hit a banger is the only surefire way to go viral. Hack number 13 is to use only 4 hashtag max. Don't believe the hype. More equals confusion. TikTok doesn't know who to show your content to. On Time Traveler, we used the same 3 hashtags on every video and then added one that related to the content of that specific video. Hack number 14 is to choose sounds carefully. Never use copyrighted sounds over 1 minute. If you're using a song, keep the vid at 59 seconds. Your video will get flagged as unoriginal and muted. Hack number 15 is the account warm-up ritual. Before posting on a new account, watch niche content, like and comment, and follow someone to check if the follower count updates. If you follow someone and your account doesn't register it, then your account is not ready to post on. Check this by going onto your profile and it should say 1 instead of 0. Upload the test video. If it gets 0 views, it's not warm. Try again. This saves your account from dying. Now let's go through the absolute don'ts, the things that kill your reach. First, never log into someone else's account on your phone. TikTok will assume you're location swapping and IP banning. Second, never post on a cold account. Warm it up for 7 days. Third, never delete videos. Always private them. Deleting destroys your trust score. Privating is absolutely fine and can be done as many times as needed. No one can see them anyway, so it's basically the same as deleting. Fourth, never watch random content on your posting account as it ruins your niche categorization. Fifth, don't post more than once per few hours or your videos will cannibalize each other. Sixth, don't use the promote feature. TikTok will decide you're willing to pay for views and nerf your organic reach permanently. Never do this. Seventh, don't use 4K 60 FPS uploads. This is a mistake most people make. They think they need to upload their videos to the highest quality possible, but TikTok compresses them horribly. Export and upload all of your videos from CapCut at 1080 30 FPS. Trust me, it will look better quality than if you upload at 4K. 8th, never over reply with emojis. Use full sentences only. 9th, don't post anything outside your niche. Even one random video can break your categorization. 10th, don't show cigarettes, weapons, or dangerous items. TikTok is extremely strict and will destroy your reach. The video will immediately be flagged and you'll receive a strike. 11th, never reply to foreign language comments if you want a US audience. It tells TikTok your primary audience is foreign. Most people will just reply to every comment, no matter the language. If you start to reply to Russian comments, TikTok will think, okay, this person has a Russian audience and is engaging with Russians, and then push your videos to more Russians. This will hurt your RPM badly. 12, don't overuse hashtags. Like I mentioned before, more than 4 confuses the algorithm. And 13, never take your TikTok posting phone abroad. Your audience geo-targeting will break and never recover. So for example, if you go to Thailand, when you are there, your videos will start to be shown to a Thai audience because it's based on location. When you come home, you will still have the Thai audience and you are pretty much doomed. We outsource mostly everything to amazing talent in Philippines that you can check out below. Writers, editors, thumbnail designers, and comment moderators. We use a strict rulebook, a quality control checklist, pattern interrupt guidelines, and the retention formula. Scaling is only possible when you remove yourself from the labor. And we never rely on ad revenue alone. We stack income streams, ads, affiliates, courses, sponsors, UGC gigs, story series monetization, and multi-platform reposts. Like previously mentioned, this is how you turn $0 into $92,000. The next wave is already here. TikTok series are exploding. 7-part stories get insane retention, and you can add your videos to the series feature so that people can click straight onto the next episode. Cross-platform posting triples income by taking one video to 7 platforms. AI personalization is the future, creating 20 variations, A/B testing, and scaling the best. And that's everything. Every strategy, every rule, every secret, every hack. This is the exact blueprint we used to make $92,000 in 45 days. And now you have it. Bye-bye.